Hey guys, I got this Play-Doh thing for Christmas, and that will be cool to show you. So, how do you open this?
It's open on one side, or would you have to cut the tape?
It's just this side. Cool. So, open this stuff.
It kind of reminds me of like Potato Head, but like
yeah.
This poop.
So let's see what's in there. There's a bunch of Play-Doh. Show.
It's like Play-Doh poop.
You have to show.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put. So here's the
colors.
So there's orange and magenta.
There's orange, purple, blue,
black,
white, and a bunch of brown.
Oh yeah, that's a ton of brown. So the white and the black's probably for the eyes. Stand it up. The other one, stand it up. Okay.
Here are the colors.
Okay, move it.
So, I'm gonna move it back.
Okay, and what else is in there?
So there's this weird
It's probably like a roller.
thing.
Maybe for the eyes, to roll them flat.
Yeah. So there's this
Mold.
poo head mold.
So then there are also some pre-made like eyes and stuff.
Accessories.
Eyes, hats, stuff, arms.
Then they different like drills and like molds.
Oh, like stencils and stuff. Oh, that's probably the push, maybe.
Oh yeah.
So you could like push them out too.
Yeah. We're gonna make some weird things.
Okay. So show them later what you made, right?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So we have made some cool poop Play-Doh creations. So right here is mine. I made it with no molds because I just wanted to kind of like challenge myself. So then like right here's my only one, but yeah. So
It's
then
in there for a few hours, right? So they got a little dry.
So then right here's some hair. So then there's also like his eyes and his mouth, and I messed up on the nose a little bit. See?
Okay. That looks good.
Yeah. Thank you.
And then this one?
This one?
Oh.
Oh, that one my dad made.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, but.
Okay. What did you make?
So my first one is.
I also only made one, by the way. So I'm the only one.
I can't turn it around.
How do you like the set? Okay.
It's cool.
Yeah.
What else did you make?
It looks just like super cool and super funny and stuff. You know?
Then this is the second one, which is like very falling apart.
Because it's been sitting there for a few hours?
Yes, and it has a lot of pieces. Its arm came off and its eyes are coming off.
So this is kind of like a poop emoji Play-Doh Mr. Potato Head.
Yes.
Yeah. There's this tiny one that died.
Oh yeah.
Which that looks a lot like Mr. Potato Head's nose, right?
And then what about the one over there?
This one, it was a burrito.
Oh.
But then I smushed it into, got hit by a meteor and it turned into a smushed burrito turd.
So would you recommend this set?
Yes.
Yeah.
Especially to some people who like hate Play-Doh and potty humor.
And emojis.
Yes, that too.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, then we'll see them soon, right?
So guys, we do hope you all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more. And we'll see you all next time. Bye.
Bye.